So we don't know what shoes they are, but I probably know what they are because we went to the shoe store. But he didn't get it yet. I already know, so it's red and black. So easy. That shoe store.
I think it's pink and purple.
I know it's red and black.
And black. I didn't see it. So.
Guys, watch this. I'm a ghost. I can disappear. I'm invisible!
I'm gonna disappear.
Where did Jordan go? I need her back.
I'm still right here.
Jordan, where are you? Are you in the chair?
Yeah.
You're not in the
Stop hitting me. Oh my God.
You're not even right here. I'm hitting the chair.
Stop hitting me.
Okay, come back. Jordan, you're back.
You don't have to hit me.
I didn't hit you.
Guess what? I gotta tell you something. I saw it in my vision.
Okay, so we're going to play Lemonade Crunch Ice. Okay, guys, you're gonna see us play. Wait. Lemonade,
Crunchy ice.
beat it once, beat it twice.
Lemonade, crunchy ice. Beat it once, beat it twice. Turn around.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go get the shoes. We'll be right back. Guys, we got the shoes. Okay, close your eyes. I was wrong.
Hurry up! Hurry up! It's probably blue or something. Hurry up.
Ha! You got your eyes open. I can.
Give me these shoes. They're my shoes now. Sorry, Daddy, they're my shoes. Let me see if I can do it.
Whoa. Guys, this is so fly.
Ow, ow.
They smell good.
Oh my God!
Yeah, they smell good.
Look at this. They're tight. Wow. Guys, look at this.
Look at these like prints.
Look at these.
Look at these prints.
Look at this.
Oh, look at the bottom. It's brown.
I love the blue.
And then it says arrow on the back. Our dad got
them
these shoes because it's his favorite basketball team color. And it's the Washington Wizards. I forgot. I'm gonna rate these. I'm gonna give it a 20 out of 20. 20 out of 20.